Okay, good day, guys. Welcome. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 20th of January. That is Friday. So, we would start with the trend, and we can see that AUD USD is actually an uptrend move. One of the reasons why we are having this bullish move or an uptrend move on AUD USD, is USD itself is actually dropping. So definitely any other pairs we will be trading to USD should give us a bullish move. So we expect it. Well, for some times now we can see that yesterday we actually had a bearish move on AUD USD. At first it actually gave us a bullish move, then price dropped as a pullback today. So we also had a pullback which was bearish. Something that we're not really expecting, but now that we've gotten this pullback, which is bearish. So for the next day, should expect AUD USD to give us a bullish move. So let's see if we can make about 70 to 100 pips bullish move for the next day on AUD USD. Now, reason why I'm saying that is that when you take a look at the trend, this is an uptrend move. Now, you see that I've highlighted this level, right? And we all know that if price have reacted to a particular level previously and price gets to that same level, definitely there must be a reaction. So we can see that once price came to the same level, we had a drop. This is a reaction here. Once price actually broke out of this level, there was a pullback that happened here, right, before price actually went up. So at this level, there was a reaction at this same level, this level here. So there was a reaction here, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. So there is a reaction. Price, this is one of the reasons why we would watch out for this level. And now price has dropped to this same level again. So this is a reaction. We are having a reaction now. This is one of the reasons we are seeing candlestick wicks sticking at the bottom. So definitely we expect this price to now push up for the next day. So this is one of the reasons why we should be watching out for about 70 to 100 pips bullish move for the next day, which is for the 20. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what it says. So we can clearly see that there was saw that there's a breakout here before price came here, then price bounced off, right? Now this price has actually dropped, so of course we need a push up. So let's just imagine, let's just assume that this price will be dropping. Let's just assume that this price will be dropping. Of course, once there's a drop, a pullback must happen, surely must happen. So that pullback that would happen will be bullish. So this is one of the reasons why we should also expect a bullish move on AUD. So this is why we'll be watching out for about 70 to 100 pips bullish move. So if it gets to 70 pips, then let's see if it will continue to go bullish or if it will drop. But first, the target is 70. Though it depends on when you are watching it. If you are watching it early, you'll be able to take the trade. And if you're watching it late, just watch out for the movements. And maybe if it continues to give us the uptrend move, you can go ahead and join. And if it starts dropping, maybe you can go ahead and drop. But if you're watching it early, we should consider grabbing about 70 to 100 pips bullish move.